Yes, come in.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, see.
Sahil Naj. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Your name, please?
My name is S. Himani.
Hmm?
S. Himani.
Yes, Himani.
S. Himani. S is not to be full form. There is no full
So
form.
it's my surname.
Surname.
Can I introduce?
Yes, you are true.
So my name is S. Himani. I belong to Baripada Marpach. I did my graduation in 2019 from College of Agriculture, Bhubaneswar. After that, I'm pursuing now my master's in anthropology from Indira Gandhi National Open University. I did also an internship with the National Center of Organic Farming. But I did it in Bhubaneswar, Chandrasekhar. And my hobby, ma'am, is I'm not professionally trained, but I did semi-classical dance during my college days. That's it.
Okay, very good. You have very good traits. You are from Moyurbanj district. What is unique about Moyurbanj?
So Moyurbanj is known for its dance culture like Chhau, which is an intangible cultural heritage UNESCO certified.
Okay.
Then for Jagannath Mandir, because after Puri it is called as second Srixetra in Odisha. Also for Simlipal National Park and Biosphere Resort, which is Asia's largest national park.
Okay. Anything more?
I'm not able to recall now.
There are quite many things.
Yes, sir, there are a lot of
Ah.
things like economical things like
Yes.
mining
Yes.
for culinary activities are also there, sir, like moody and mutton. Famous.
Mutton is very famous one. What is, why this mudi has become famous there? What is the uniqueness of that mudi?
Sir?
Because all over Odisha people take mudi, but why Baripada mudi is something unique?
Sir, Baripada moody is not itself unique. It is preferred by most of the people are there. I think that's why it is very famous in Moyurbanj.
Everywhere people take mudi.
No, sir, not in that quantity that Moyurbanj people are taking.
Basic ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କଣ mudi ପାଇଁ ବଢିଆ ମଡ଼ି ଦେଇଛି? But I will say definitely your mudi is more tastier than other mudi.
Suppose you are given a roti.
Way of processing it.
Roti diya hai, mudi diya hai. Which one will?
So I will prefer roti because I am not prefer moody.
Don't like.
ये mudi टा को समझते बारी
So
derogatory
I
way
like,
use करती.
but not at that amount people are taking.
Mudi चांदी है.
I prefer, but
People
little
mudi
quantity.
होते, हाँ? डाली mudi.
दाली mudi 500 mudi कितना?
It is told
Lots of
that
mudi,
whenever
lots
a
of
guest is coming to any family of Baleshwar or Moyurbanj, mostly they prefer to just give and fast moody with mutton. Moody
और
with
नाश्ता
mutton.
कौन गाड़ी करे?
My name is S. Himani.
S. Himani. S. Himani. That is 12 number serial. It's about my understanding is mudi from your area is much tastier than mudi from any other
I have
area.
to read on that.
Huh?
I have to read on that.
Not read. There is nothing, no literature on mudi. But you will.
No, sir, I will ask my parents that which type of rice they are using.
And most of the time from Baripada, mudi is there are machine
Yes,
frying and there is manual frying.
And manual frying.
And manual frying keeps the mudi little more strengthy, so that it does not get quickly diluted with the kind of moisture that it comes. It will remain. Any other mudi will keep within a day, it will be damaged. But your mudi can stay for 2-3 days in that same situation. So there are certain things, and the type of rice that they are using, that is also, and there is some indigenous quality of frying with little bit of salt and something like that.
Yes, salt and rice.
Which is normally not in practice.
And in pot utensil they use.
So you should fight for this with the board. If you say that is, yes, that is something unique. Don't dilute the situation. Situations go like that. In a very sober, polite way, you can say that yes, this is what is. So you had many things and few things you had left. The king of Maripada,
Yes.
who has also a lot of contribution. What is his contribution?
For Odisha or Mayurbhanj?
For
Odisha.
For Odisha, it is the major contribution is Sri Ramchandra Medical College, and in he was the one who started scientific mining in Mayurbhanj district. Next is
Odisha को independent state करियर there is a lot of contribution. कितने जिनिस अच्छी तमर district में. तेरे तमो बंद करियर अगर नामे बार कहीं बोली तो सिटी तमरो you are supposed to create a
flow
of things.
Yes.
तो प्रथम रो आरंभ करो कोण जो एक बहुत important जिनिस छाड़ी की वो जोड़े less important जिनिस आरंभ करो.
so I thought कि ICH is more that is acclaimed by globally. That's why I think
नहीं ठीक है okay we will accept that. But still then don't leave all these things. Try to cover up all these
so
things.
problem होची कि जब मेंस रे क्वेश्चंस लिखो तो मोरो गोटे एक्सरसाइज था कि फर्स्ट मु गोटे मिनिट कोन लिखि भी गोटे स्ट्रीमलाइन वे रे भाबे इटे प्रॉब्लम है होचे कि कोटा कहबी नहीं
ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମିତି ଆସୁଛି ସବୁ କୁହ ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗ କହିଲ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଯଦି ଯୋଉଟା ନ କହିବାର ତା ଆଗ କହିଦିଅ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଓକେ ବଟ୍ ଟେଲ୍ ଅଦର ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଅଲସୋ ସାଇମଲ୍ଟେନିୟସଲି ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ଦେୟାର ତାପରେ ଏଠି କ'ଣ କି ଟିକେ ତମକୁ କନସିୟସ୍ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଲାଗୁଛି ବୋଧେ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ହଁ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଫିଲିଂ ଲିଟିଲ୍ ନର୍ଭସ୍ ନାଇଁ ନର୍ଭସ୍ ହେବାର କିଛି କାରଣ ନାହିଁ ଏଇଟା ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୟୋର୍ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ସିନ୍ ଆୱାର ଫେସ୍ ଅଲରେଡି ସୋ वी आर हियर टू एनकरेज यू आर नॉट हियर टू ओके अच्छा आउट के जानिया तम विषय रे यू आर फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज
कॉलेज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर
agriculture college of agriculture. What are the different type of agricultural revolutions that has gone in the country right from the revolution to आज पर्यंत कितने प्रकार revolution agriculture sector है
major contribution is white revolution that is on milk
agricultural revolution पर हाँ green revolution पर
white revolution is there
second came green revolution sorry white
first
revolution
is green revolution and second is white revolution
तापर
on milk
तापर then
the lot of I don't able to recall now which is first and which is second but I know the revolution
पुणी से कौन करतो तमु जहा सुझबा कहबो समस्या जिंस तमु काई आगो पछ होइछो तमु कहबा कि असुविधा अछि कि आमी आरे क्रिएट करी बेरियर तमु ओपोनेंट क्वेश्चन पछातु तबे तो जहा कहया कथा कहबो
the pink revolution is there
हां कोन तो कहतला
then
पिंक लेसर कोन पे हला ताको टीवी ता संगे कहबो
to
What for?
basically improve the quality of prawn culture
ओके
it is for it is pink revolution then is grey revolution to use fertilizer judiciously this is grey revolution then I'm not full recall
डायरी पे कोन करा लागछि
white revolution
Blue revolution.
हां ब्लू रिवॉल्यूशन में जाईछि मझरे
blue is for fish
हाँ।
fish culture
जेते में जाईछि
Physiculture.
तो ये जाके तमरो दे आर योर टेक्स agriculture student तो they are supposed to be your cornerstones okay अच्छा तब agriculture what is something new going on food out for our food security once upon a time India was not very self sufficient in food after Indian revolution asla then revolution पर India started producing and became self sufficient in some of the grains and cereals अच्छा वर्तमान we are in a different situation where we are in a position to export Korea but what are those new innovations that has placed agriculture to this situation that we are now a food exporter country with a lot of food security that we have achieved
currently
कौन है what has gone
for
a sea
export
change
export
मतलब इंडियन फूड सिक्योरिटी पे एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर बहुत डेवलप करिछि कौन है what are those how we have achieved this हमें हमारा फूड सिक्योरिटी केमति पाइले by innovating in agriculture what are the new innovations in agriculture
so food processing technology nowadays given very much importance to restore the food and second is organic farming to sustain our agriculture for a larger period of time. Third is improve the marketing structure through I think e-NAM to connect the all mandis across the country through a single electronic platform, so that farmers could get better remunerations from what he produce. I think these are the things that makes India a food sufficient country.
These are some of the-
ଟିକେ ମାନେ କୋର ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଛାଡ଼ିଲେ actually ये जो sir with the permission of the sir Seemani, sir's specific question was just 50 years back or 40 years back we were not so developed in agriculture. But now we are in a position even meeting our requirements, we are exporting our foods to the different countries or different regions. What are the factors that led to the agriculture from those days to till the growth of the agriculture, and what are the factors responsible for this growth in agriculture that is we are consuming nowadays? You told something about the marketing, the export, 2-3 factors about the export related. That is the end point of the year, because what are the factors that led to the agricultural growth?
It is one of these high quality of inputs like seeds,
Yes,
high yielding
yes,
varieties,
yes.
hybrids.
Yes, yes.
These are the
But agriculture, here are so many schemes of the government.
ଏମିତି କହିକି
Technology
ରହିବନି.
is the
You have to
technology
continue your talk.
technology plays a pivotal role. Use of the modern technologies, you could also take the name of the so many technologies and equipments, technological equipments used in the agricultural productivity, raising the agricultural productivity and the less time consumption.
basically I have to focus on input technologies.
And institutional credit given by the government and the agricultural societies, and so many insurances for the farming in the farming sectors. You can also relate to the starting up to the Kaliya scheme to Balram scheme. So many schemes of the government also can link up.
Okay, I have to streamline that.
ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା
ଟିକେ ରହି ସାର୍ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କରିକି ଟିକେ ରହି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି।
ରହିବନି ମାନେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ପଚାରିବା ପରେ ତ ୟୁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ୟୁର ଆନ୍ସର, ସେଟା ତମ ପାଇଁ ଭଲ, କାରଣ ତମେ ଯଦି ରହିଯିବ ଯେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କଣ ପଚାରିଦେବେ, ସେଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆନ୍ସର ତମ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି କହିପାରିବ, ତୁମେ କିନ୍ତୁ ନ କହିକି
ସର୍ଟ କରିକି ରହିଯାଉଛ ଯୋଉ ତମେ କଣ କରୁଛ, ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ପଚରା ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ କହିକି ରହିଯାଉଛ, ତମ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ଇନପୁଟ ଆର୍ ଦେୟାର ବଟ୍ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସିଂ ଇଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଟୋଟାଲିଟି।
ତମ ଡେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିପାରିବନି। ଦେଖ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ତମ କଥା ତମ ଆନ୍ସରଟା ଯଦି ମୁଁ କହିବି ଯେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମର ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ଭଲ ହଉନଥିଲା ବିକଜ वी हैव बीन not efficient in agricultural productivity, but subsequently green revolution asila, green revolution pore we started improving our seeds, we started innovating in research and bringing new seeds, we started inputting different kind of machineries, farm machineries for large scale agriculture. Then we started inputs in terms of fertilizer and pesticides and insect to control the diseases and to increase the productivity. Then we have started controlling the irrigation to see that agricultural productivity is sustained. We brought innovations in multiple cropping. अगर गोटे क्रॉपिंग होता है केते दिन से देखो कोई भी जब हम स्लोली इफ यू गो राइट स्टोरी बळे जदी कहि जिवा एन बहुत दिन आसीबनी तापर तमर जो आंसर कहलो लास्ट को जाके कहलो बहुत बढिया हिसाब कहलो जो मार्केटिंग से जाके बंद तो थिला तापर मार्केटिंग से तबळे नथिला
तापर मझे भी सर स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी जो कोल्ड स्टोरेज गुडाय आसिला तापर भी रिजर्वेशन लिंकेज कर आसिकी लास्ट मार्केटिंग एक्सपोर्ट जगह पहुंचलो। तापर there is a wing of the government side also that is called the EPM, export and promotion marketing wing of the government, that is called EPM, whose main function is to raise the improvement of the export, promotion and marketing of our foods or our materials to the other countries.
तापर जे आउटी के स्ट्रांगली आंसर करियो जायो ताले फर्स्ट 5 ईयर प्लान में कोन आइला, सेकंड 5 ईयर प्लान में कोन एमती भी कोइ परिबो, यू कैन क्रिएट अ स्टोरी ऑन ए टाइमलाइन ने स्टोरी जे क्रिएट करि परिबो ए टाइप रो चिंता धारा मन भीतर को आनो कारण तोर सब कोन कि मल्टीपल चॉइस आंसर कला बडा ठीके कोइ रहि जाय सो दैट इज अ फीडबैक फॉर यू जे कोन जोडे क्वेश्चन बचारले मेक इट एज अ स्टोरी सो दैट आंसर विल बी लेंथी आंसर लेंदी हेले कोन कि तुम ऑटोमेटिकली जहाँ जानी से सब कहबे को चेष्टा करियो ए अलग तो दैट इज अप्रोच ओके मैडम
Yes, Shivani, did you take the CD of your last interview?
No, ma'am. Coaching sir is not providing me till now. But they told that they will provide.
When is the date of your interview?
29
29. Okay. Your subject is agriculture
and anthropology.
anthropology. Please tell also something about Himani from the development of the human civilization starting from your Paleolithic age to Neolithic age.
I'm sorry.
Briefly.
The first stage is Paleolithic stage, where it is men are mostly hunter and gatherer society. Hunter and gatherer. They use microlithic tools, and language is not at that much developed at that time. It is, I think, around 10,000 BC.
Okay.
And this, then second is Mesolithic era, where people started. Agriculture is not fully developed, but primitive agricultural practices there. They use bow and arrow for animal hunting are there, and primitive horticulture are also there. After that, that is Neolithic phase. The first time human habitation are started from Neolithic age, and pottery making practice are also there, and wheat, cotton cultivation was started from Neolithic age.
Your Himani, your copper age and iron age.
Yes, that is Chalcolithic.
This comes under which age?
Chalcolithic. Chalcolithic is where Indus Valley civilization are also part of Chalcolithic age.
Okay, please, Himani, tell something about the significance of the Indus Valley civilization. Why we remember till it today?
There are a lot of features of Indus Valley civilization which are till today we are using in our urbanization development. Like they planned the city in a rectangular basis. I think these features are seen in almost all the developed cities of our country. Next is drainage and sanitation facility. We inspired from IBC people, the kind of drainage system they are using that time. They generally covered the drain. Simultaneously, we have seen nowadays our municipal corporation also using this tactics by covering our drains through constructed. I don't remember the term.
Yes, Himani. So they have a systematic urban planning and their drainage system, sewage system, all the developed plant systems are there, so that we are also having the reference of their very systematic town planning. Himani, for the empowerment, economic empowerment of the women, there is a exclusive department of the government of Odisha recently created. Could you name it?
I think Mission Shakti.
It comes under which ministry?
Ma'am, it is Women and Child Development Ministry, WCD Ministry.
Okay, what are the women self-help groups are created? What is the objective of the government for creating these
SHG.
women self-help groups?
Initially, it was the brainchild of NABARD, SSG group, to empower women through giving them financial assistance, and also it provides economic empowerment also. There are a lot of SSG working on ground level, but in my area there is Agradami, one of the and also SSGs are
How government is just enhancing their economic empowerment? What are the measures government is taking, elevating their economic empowerment?
the two major steps that currently taken by our Chief Minister, that is interest-free loans. Banks should give to SSG, and second is linking them with corporate social responsibilities. Axis Bank Corporation are taking lot of SSG under his corporation to provide them financial support in Koraput area. Also Marvanj, I don't remember any name of Marvanj SSG that is tie up with Axis Bank.
Taking the institutional credit from the banks or from the government, what the SSGs are doing?
Sorry, ma'am?
What the SSGs are doing generally? Taking the financial support from the banks or from the government, what the SSGs are doing? What are the domain of their activities? Do you have any idea? Do you have any
Yes, ma'am.
idea?
Yes, ma'am. Mostly women from a specific health group are specified by some time of work, some kind of work. It means, I mean, one SAG is dedicated to one or two types of work. Like there are pickle making
Yes.
activities there, mushroom cultivation are there. In my area where I belong, there are bamboo products are also there.
Decorative products. Then,
Yes,
then whether they are getting any scope for sale and exhibition of their
Yes, ma'am.
handiworks.
TriFed and ITDA basically ITDA conducting जो आदिवासी मेला and state level, district level of fair festivals where they can sell.
Yeah, sure.
Himani,
Yes.
you are S Himani. S stands for
Sethi.
Shetty. Himani Shetty. How many you belong to Marvanj? How many ITD is there in Marvanj?
2 ITDAs sir.
Name them.
Baripada ITDA and next is Jasipur ITDA.
What about Ironpur? What about Kapigoda? What about Karanji?
Sorry sir, 4 ITDA. Karanji.
I'm just giving you checking. What is the purpose of which ITDs are means given a role? What are the purposes?
Its primary objective is to overall socio-economic development tribal people. That's why it is only found in tribal district. But apart from this, it also give financial assistance to those SSG which are formed by tribal people and educational support to tribal children. These are also included under
It is
ITDA.
ITDA.
Yes.
It is an acronym.
Yes.
What is the full form of it?
It stands for Integrated Tribal Development Agencies. Integrated means all the financial, educational, social, economical, all of that.
You are having agriculture as one of the optionals.
Yes.
Anthropology also. What is the difference between anthropology and sociology?
So sociology trying to study society as a whole, but anthropology is more specific. Its primary focus is on human behavior surrounding with its
Human
society.
behavior means psychology also human behavior.
No sir, psychology it's only mental aspect or other environmental aspect
But
also.
behavior is mostly driven by mind.
No, sir, I think anthropology is more specific in terms of biology because it also studies the human evolution, which cannot be studied
No,
in psychology.
the unit of anthropology unit study of anthropology.
Unit-
Main focus.
is human behavior.
Human behavior or human being?
I think human being. I'm not sure.
You are right. You are coming towards the core, but you are deviating from that. Sociology is the unit of study society, but anthropology is the unit of man, human being. Everything comes under that.
Study on human beings.
Okay? Anthropology. Anthropos, logos. Anthropos means human being. Logos means science. Science of human being. That comes. That takes care of everything. Behavior is part of that. Education, marriage, family. Okay? What is Sanskritization?
Sanskritization means the process where people are adopting the culture of a dominant people are adopting the behavior, practices of dominant culture in that society. And that is Sanskritization.
Dominant culture of what?
It means where-
Suppose in Mordvan, the dominant tribe is
Dominant tribe is Mayurbhanj is Mankiria tribe.
Mankiria. Suppose there are certain Hindu people, Mankiria. I will, as majority is Mankiria and minority is Hindu people. Hindu caste people will imitate the Mankiria as you are taking the dominant. So when Hindu people or caste people are taking the dominant जो tribe रो the characteristic or towards moving towards dominant tribe, तो सेटा कौन Sanskritization होगा?
Sir, Sanskritization adopting practices dominant culture in a broader term. It means in an overall society, not only
Who
Mayurbhanj
coined that
society.
Sanskritization term?
I'm not able to recall.
What is consanguineous marriage?
Marriage relation with blood relatives,
Is it
immediate blood relatives.
is it allowed
No,
in
sir.
our society?
No, sir. It is not allowed in all overally, but in distance relation, it can be allowed
That
in
is,
modern
suppose
society.
I will Mamu Jyogubaha. That is known as, in anthropological term, what is known as?
I'm not able to recall now.
What is MLCC? Matrilineal cross cousin. That is Mamu Jyogubaha, mother side. Okay? Matrilineal cross cousin. Ma toro Mamu. Mamuro Jyogubaha. It is allowed or not?
It is allowed in some tribe, like Kerala tribe are.
Why you are jumping into tribe? Is it not available?
So
Is it not available?
In our society.
yes, sir. Our society also this type of culture is seen in. some
Even
part-
patrilineal cross cousin is available.
Yes, sir. Available.
Available?
But it is not biologically correct.
No, you don't say biologically correct. This is practice is going on.
Yes.
What is correct, incorrect, that society will decide. As you are a social scientist, as you are an administrator, you will not tell people your culture is bad. Your culture is not scientific. It is wrong. Go find that. Okay. What is matrilineality?
Matrilineal society where the leader, the head of the family basically female oriented, not oriented but dominant factor is female, and the property transfer is basically from family of mother to, I think, mamu घर transfer is property transfer.
मामू घर को नहीं दो, ताकि जो ताऊ तो मामू घर को दे दो. Suppose गोटे lady, ताकि दीटा झियो अछन, गोटे पुओ अछि, कि दीटा पुओ अछन. Inheritance of property will transfer from mother to.
I think mother to mamu puo को जाए तो Kerala.
मामू पुओ कहीं जीवो.
Whatever news are there, Padma.
News, it is not your anthropological theory is there. Why you are talking about news? Theories are not. It is already established fact. Okay.
Okay. Himani, what is your reading about you in today's board? This board is our con reading. Our con experience. Previous board was something and this board is also something. So what you gained out of these two? ତମକୁ କ'ଣ ଲାଗୁଛି?
I have tried a lot of factors.
ସେଇଟା ତ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ବି ତମେ ସେଇଆ କହିଥିଲ, ଏବେ ବି କହୁଛ ସେଇଆ.
New thing that I have learned today is that to maintain a consistency in my opinion.
ନାଇଁ ତମର ମାନେ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ଶୁଣ, ମେଡିଟେସନ ହେଲା ଯେ ମତେ ବହୁତ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ବିଲକୁଲ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ମାଇ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ ଆଇ ରିଡ୍ କୁ ଯେତିକି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିଛି ଆଉ ପଢ଼ିବିନି. वर्तमान
ଆଉ କ'ଣ
मोर
କରିବ?
कहबी
2 ଦିନ ଆଉ ରହିଲା।
मोर वर्तमान इंटरव्यू रे कहबी केमिति भल भल कहबी आ कंप्लीटली कहबी आंसर दैट इज द फोकस पढ़िले जे जिनटा हबनी पढ़िबाटा सेकेंडरी प्रथम कथा माइंड को स्ट्रीमलाइन करबा पड़िबो तमर थॉट प्रोसेस को टी ऑर्गेनाइज करबा पड़िबो कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़िया पड़िबो जे मु कहि पारिबी जब जदी कहि पारिबी ताले कहबी आ कहबा पे तुम गोटे बाट बतैला कि सब जिंस सब क्वेश्चन रो गोटे स्टोरी टाइप रो आंसर करबा अप्रोच रखियो से कले तमर जे ऑब्जेक्टिव आंसर कला बडा कहि कि रहि जाउ जे से जिंस चेंज हो so you can change that approach ताहले कोन हो तम पाखे जहा अछि कंटेंट से जगह विभिन्न वे रे बाहरी के आसीबो स्टोरी कहले स्टोरी न कहले सब बडे जेंदी माने 2 रो 2 मिसले 4 रे रहि जिवो सब तेरे से ही अप्रोच को वर्तमान तम आज रो सबटो इंपोर्टेंट जिंस फीडबैक आ बाकी तमरो जहा भी जिंस रहु चांस क्वेश्चन पचरा हो ठीक है ऑब्जर्व करो कोन पचर छथि आ ताकि केम आंसर करिवा सिस्टम फॉर्म को नबा सेटा ଗୋଟେ इंपोर्टेंट तो हटात कहबा चेष्टा करतो जे कोन होची शॉर्ट आंसर ते पळे आसुची बाकी निजे सब भूल जाउ या होची ना मन को शॉर्ट आंसर ते पळे आसिला जोटा आगु जणा पडुची फटकिन कहि देलो तापर आ बढै परनो आंसर ते लंबे परनो टी तेनो सिटी मिनिट टेक बा फ्यू सेकंड्स टिके भाबिलो जे को कोन कोड आरंभ करिवि शॉर्ट आंसर आगु कहि देबिनी कोड आरंभ करिवि स्टोरी कहिवि ये वाला जिनसे तुम्हारा दीटा अप्रोच तुमको टिके अडॉप्ट करो आ जो जाके तुम्हारा पढ़िया दरकार किछटा जदी भाबुचो ताले एमती करंट नॉलेज तम एरिया विषय रे तम डिस्ट्रिक्ट विषय रे तमरो जदी हम प्रोफेसर परिचय विषय ज्योग्राफी ऑफ मयूरभंज डिस्ट्रिक्ट बहुत जिनस तुम मैकेरिया टाइप टा बड़ ट्राइब बोली करो तुम मैकेरिया टाइप बड़ ट्राइब नो सब मैक्सिमम ट्राइबल पॉपुलेशन को ट्राइब रो सौरा तम डिस्ट्रिक्ट होता है मतलब लागु सौरा ट्राइब थी ए मोस्ट पॉपुलर ट्राइब इन मयूरभंज तथापि चेक कर दो हैला मैकेरिया इज प्रिमिटिव ट्राइब बहुत कम लोग ताकर अछन से सिमलपाल रो कोर एरिया में सिमलपाल तीनटा एरिया ना गोटे कोर एरिया गोटे
बफर एरिया
आ गोटे पेरिफेरी एरिया तेने जो कोर एरिया भीतर किछटा से मैकेरिया ट्राइब रहिते तार पॉपुलेशन कम प्रिमिटिव ट्राइब भीतर जाउछ प्रिमिटिव ट्राइब कोन से भी जानिया दरकार आंध्र स्टूडेंट एंटी किछटा जिंस आ टिके न्यूज़ करेंट न्यूज़ जाके पेपर न्यूज़ पेपर देखो सब जिंस देखि मन को टिके ऑर्गेनाइज कर दियो पाठाडू बेसी अति बेसी गुडे जीवा दरकार नै वर्तमान तुम पाके समय बहुत कम अछि हां तेनु केम ऑर्गेनाइज करी कहिबो स्टोरी टेलिंग सेटा प्रैक्टिस कर दियो जति जानी बोली भाव बहुत भल जिन जानी आप जी फीडबैक मिली तुमको सफिशिएंटली एडजस्ट कर से जगह टी आउे ब्रशिंग अप कर दो आई थिंक दैट विल बी हेल्पिंग यू तेणु डरवा दरकार नहीं कि मन को सुखेवा दरकार नहीं समस्त आगे सब स्माइलिंग न आसिले भी हसबनी हसवाई कहून भी कि न आसिले भी सरी कहीकि कह सर सरी भी जानी आई एम नॉट कमिंग फॉर दिस हम पढ़ी कह जोटा जान कहीदे जहाँ जानी तो भल कि कह ओके आई थिंक दिस इज ऑल फीडबैक मैडम आप कौन कहे
नहीं शिवानी से टिके जते बळे क्वेश्चन पचरा होची से थॉट टा को सिंक्रोनाइज करके कंसिस्टेंटली टिके एग्जिस्टिंग वे रे कहबो रिलेटिंग टू द क्वेश्चन जो सर राइटली मार्क कले जे ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप रे जो कहि दउ छ तापर तम पाखरे थिले भी कंटेंट तमे ताको पुट फोर्थ करि परिबनी टिके इलाबोरेट करिबो स्टोरी टाइप रो ताके बहुत सारा कंटेंट्स लिंकेज हि जीवता सहित आंसर सहित एटा बोर्ड को भी बढ़िया लागिबो तुमको भी गोटे बेसी सैटिस्फाइड लागिबो जे हां पूरी टोटलिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करली तम पाखरे बहुत सारा कंटेंट्स अछि किंतु तमे ताको टिके शॉर्ट कर दो जाओ टिके कहि जाउ छ गोटे पॉइंट रहि जाउ छ पुनी आउ थरे बोर्ड इनिशिएटिव करले एटा जे तो मॉक बोर्ड हम इनिशिएट करि दउ छ किंतु सेठी त तुमको अकेला प्रेजेंट करबा को पड़िबो हैता तुमको निज को फ्लोटा रखिबा को पड़िबो कंटिन्यूटी कंसिस्टेंसी with the माने कंटेंट्स रिलेटिंग टू द क्वेश्चन जोटी बोर्ड तुमको अटके तो सेठी तमे अटके जीव हां सपोज बेसी समय कोटा तमे कहिलो सेटाई करबे आ माने ये तमर बॉय फर्स्टटा culturally माने ethnically ये it's a very rich district, very rich district, starting from your Maharaja Krishna Chandra Gajpati, who has immense contribution to our freedom struggle, and it's also in something tribal dominated district also. So many things are there for Mayurbhanj. Culturally very rich district it's one. So you have to just have a elaborative description of your district. Regarding the Sanskritization, what you told exactly not pinpointed answer, I think. Have a check on it. When we have a rigid caste system, some types of rigid caste system society, when the lower caste of the society following the rituals, the behaviors, some of the festivals of the upper caste of the society and practicing it, that is called Sanskritization. Please have a very pinpointed and something very clear answers having the clarity, so that the board will have a clear conception what exactly you have incorporated of the question. You are a very good student. You have also gathered so many contents, but you only need one synchronization and consistent talk to the board. Okay.
Okay. तब डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे जरा एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट को नाय कहलो एंथ्रोपोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट हो बच्चे दी पर दे जे जब हटात का मनु बस जीव जे
Basically from anthropologist, I mean Mayurbhanj origin.
परमानेंट चर्च is no more existing in the past away.
Current leading anthropologist from your district
I know.
is your life is working.
Sorry sir.
वर्तमान एंथ्रोपोलॉजी तमर वाइस चांसलर सेठी काम करू किशोर कुमार बासा ही इज आल्सो एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट.
Yes, sir. Thank you sir. I'm not aware about it.
Hello, these are some of your tips for you. Quick ए जगह सब quick ए जगह सब सिंगल आंसर ऑब्जेक्टिव वाले
नहीं तुम्हारा सब भलो रहला केतोडा जिंस कोइ किंतु जान छ
So मते केते मार्क आपण एलोकेट करथियो जति
तू कोन केत मार्क पाइबा
130.
हां 130 140 is definitely that अधिका
155 I have given 155.
that अधिका है ठीक है
अधिका आसीबा ठीक.
आउडे फाइटर हो
आउ अधिका
नारी
आसीबा.
शक्ति एकदम देखेओ सेठी हैं झाड़ी जुड़ा दी पूरा समस्त बाड़ी के आसीबो के माने
being a girl student you are always in the advantage of the board. You will get a leverage of speaking होई परिबो डिमांड करि परिबो तमे विभिन्न वे रे तमे यू कैन प्लेस योर थिंग्स जेटा को माने करि परिबो. There will be more acceptability with a girl student for the board. तेनो तम पाखे रोज जागो मु तो कितरा जे परस्यू करि भी कहि परिबो सर आई वुड लाइक टू टेल दिस हां एंती भी कहि परिबो. ट्राई टू यूटिलाइज ऑल योर ट्रम्प कार्ड जते प्रकार अछि एबीसी रो जो फार्मूला नै सब जगह फार्मूला के एबीसी रो यूज करियो. Okay, thank you.
Sir, the testimony.